Hi everyone! I get this question a lot from people who don't have space to garden outside. Can I grow my own groceries indoors? My answer is you absolutely can, and I'm going to teach you how. The key is to keep it simple. Here I am in my indoor garden, in a corner of my dining room, just steps away from my kitchen. I'm utilizing a cabinet to grow some tomatoes, the corner over here to grow some greens and herbs with some grow lights. So no matter if you have a little bit more space for a shelving unit or just a small amount of space for a cabinet, this is all you need. It's easy. You got this. Now I just want to show you around my indoor garden grocery store today. I've got a couple different setups going on. If you don't have a lot of space, this is a perfect one to start with. I've got a 5-gallon container, a small dwarf tomato growing in the container, and you've got to have a grow light so your tomatoes grow and produce tomatoes for you. This is probably the simplest grow light setup you can do. It's just a clamp light, the special light bulb that will grow vegetables. And I just have it attached here to a little pole in a gallon milk jug filled partway with sand. And you're good to go. You can tell it's growing my tomatoes beautifully. I'm so excited to have tomatoes already on that plant. So moving on here, if you have a little bit more space, maybe a corner to get your shelving unit set up here. It's a 5 shelving unit, and I've got shop lights here, which again have special light bulbs that are meant for growing vegetables. And I've got some tomatoes, I've got herbs going on, I've got lettuce and greens. And down here I've got my spring garden started, my onions, my peas, some greens and radishes on the bottom. Keep your setup very simple according to the space that you have and your budget, but also the key is what you grow. Keep the vegetables you're growing very easy to grow vegetables. Salad greens are very easy to grow indoors. Herbs, we pick this basil and put it on our scrambled eggs almost every day. Chives in here to pick, some parsley up here. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to grow your vegetables indoors. I call it growing your groceries. Next, watch the videos I'm going to link up below. It'll teach you how to get started and how to get your grow light set up. Next, watch our current series called Grow Your Groceries. It'll teach you how to grow, harvest, and eat from your own garden grocery store in a quick, simple, and inexpensive way. I hope you found this helpful. I'll put links for all the videos on how you get this set up down below, and head over and grab my indoor garden seed collection so you have seeds to grow with, and my book Organic Gardening for Everyone I think will be a big help for you too. You can get 20% off with the code GROWYOURGROCERIES over at CaliKimGardeningHome.com. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.